Welcome to Arya College of Engineering and Information Technology, Kukas, Jaipur. I am Harish Chawla from Department of Civil Engineering. So we are going to discuss about ranging out surveying line and corrections. Ranging out surveying line. First method is direct method by eye adjustment or by line ranger. Is also called prism method. Indirect method. In indirect method, 2 points are very far. So 2 points C and D intermediate points are taken. These 2 points are ranging out till all the 4 points are in same line. Measurement on sloping ground. Measurement or sloping ground is also taken by two methods. Indirect method. Indirect method, chain or tapes are floating in air, so we can calculate lengths. In direct method, we can calculate length by this formula: capital L is equal to root small l square minus h square. Corrections are many types. Some of these are following: correction for absolute length, signs negative or positive formula: capital L divided by small l into C. Correction for temperature, sign positive or negative Ct alpha Tm minus T naught into L. Correction for pull, negative or positive Cp is equal to P minus P naught divided by Ae into C. Correction for alignment is only negative. Correction for alignment is equal to small d square by 2l. Correction for slope, negative sign h square by 2l or summation l into 1 minus cos theta. Correction in measurement in vertical plane or cell weight, negative sign and wl upon 2ae. Correction for mean level, negative sign small hl upon h upon में r. Correction for sag, negative sign lw square w 24 n square p square. First, correction for absolute length. It is the length found of tape or chain is more than its original length. The correction will be positive as the measured length will be shorter than actual length of line. Similarly, if the length found of tape is less than its original length, the correction will be negative as the measuring length will be longer than actual length of line. Correction for temperature. If the temperature on the field is more than the standard temperature of the tape or chain, then tape tends to expand and its length will be less than the actual length, so the correction will be positive. Similarly, if the temperature on the field is less than the standard temperature of tape or chain, then the tape will be tend to shrink and its length will be decreased, and thus the measurement distance will be more than actual length. The correction will be negative. Here is the formula: correction for temperature, alpha Tm minus T naught into L. Alpha means coefficient of thermal expansion, T naught standard temperature, Tm temperature of tape while measuring, L is original length. Sign positive or negative. Correction for pull. Here is the formula: PL upon में E. P applied pull at the time of pull, P naught standard pull, E modulus of elasticity, A cross section area of chain or tape, or L measured length. Correction for tape. Here is the formula: h square by 2l and summation of L into 1 minus cos theta. H is the height, theta is the angle, and L is the length. Correction for alignment. Here is the formula: d square by 2l sin negative. Correction in vertical plane, wl upon में 2ae. W weight of chain or tape, L length, A cross section area of tape, E Young's modulus of elasticity. Correction for mean sea level. Formula is HL upon R. Small h is height above the mean level, L length, and R radius of Earth, which is 6440. So here is the some question related to corrections. A 20-meter long tape are standardized at a temperature of 18 degrees Celsius and pull of 19 kilos. The tape was used to measure a serving line and the distance was found to be 612.6 meter. The pull applied at the field was 14 kg and the mean temperature of the day was recorded at 32 degrees Celsius. The ratio of cross section of tape is 0.0725 semi-square and the coefficient of thermal expansion is alpha is equal to 9.4 into 10 to the power 6 degrees Celsius. For the first 30 meter, the slope was 3 degrees 15 minutes. For next 20 meter, the slope was 2 degrees 6 minutes, and the remaining distance, the modulus of plasticity of the tape material is 2.06 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per mm square. Find the actual distance of the serving line. So here is the formula of temperature correction. Alpha Tm minus T naught into L. Alpha is given, Tm is also given, and Tm T naught is also given, and L is also given. So we can calculate temperature due to correction due to temperature. Similarly, we can calculate correction due to pull and correction due to slope. Correction due to pull is P minus P naught into L upon में AE, and correction due to slope h square by 2L and summation L into 1 minus cos theta. So we can easily calculate this question by these formulas. Thank you so much.